What's up everyone? We're gonna make mochi cake today, and there are just a few ingredients that we use. We need 2 cups of milk, 1 can of coconut milk, 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 box of mochi rice flour, and then also 2 cups of white sugar in this mochi cake. Okay, first we're gonna butter the pan, guys. Make sure you get the sides here. Stop. Alright guys, so the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna beat 4 eggs into this bowl right here. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna beat these 4 eggs, guys. Then we're gonna add our 2 cups of sugar in here while you're mixing it. Let's go ahead and put that in there. You wanna have time for the sugar and the yolk to kind of emulsify together. So let's go ahead and do that. Again, while we're stirring, we're gonna also add 1 can of coconut milk. Keep stirring, keep stirring. Now you guys can use a hand mixer, that's easier. I like to just do it by hand. It's not that bad. And then we're gonna also go ahead and add 2 cups of milk in there too. And then the next part, you're gonna add your 1 whole packet of mochi flour here. So, I'll show you guys. We'll open this first. There's some left in here. And then you're just gonna whisk, whisk, whisk away. And the consistency you kind of want in here is, again, you want to make sure that there are no like chunks in here. Okay, the next part you can do is a splash of vanilla. Mix that up here, and then also you're going to go ahead and melt that butter. So now that you have melted your butter, this is 1 to 2 tablespoons here, so we're going to add that in here too. Make sure you get all of that butter in there. Alright, again, you want to make sure that you're getting this kind of nice consistency with no chunks, flour chunks anywhere. Kind of make sure you're going around. There's still some more chunks left, so let's go ahead and get this. So now you're going to pour your batter into the pan. Spatula to help you out here. Make sure you get every last bit there. Still water. Now I'm just gotta wait for the oven to heat up. Alright, now we're gonna wait for it. Nice and warm. Let's check on the baby. See that puffiness? You want that little puffiness. It looks like there's starting to brown right here. Guys, the smell is so good. The smell of the sugar and the mochi forming together. It's a perfect marriage. My towel's here. We're ready to take out the mochi cake. So this is kind of what you want to have, is some brownness on the side. We bake this for about 55 minutes or so. You can do an hour. Again, you can't really over bake this, which is the nice part. It's pretty easy for people who have never baked anything in their lives. You really can't mess this up. Very simple, a very easy recipe. I hope you guys try it out. So that is how you make mochi cake, everybody. It's very simple, very easy. You guys can do it at home. And if you do, please let me know how it turned out. I do like to know about that. Nobody has commented on that. But anyways, this is the perfect dish to bring to a potluck. Honestly, nobody will ever hate you if you ever bring this. Trust me. I brought it to parties and it's the talk of the town.
That's solid.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Thoughts?
Great taste, good consistency. It's an A+. Mm-hmm.
And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You'll, show some love, because there's none right now. Be the love for me, so I can love you back. All I want to do is love y'all.